Assalamu alaikum ji, this is Ehsan Sheikh. I welcome you all to the 30th episode of Facebook Live Sessions. I hope you all must be fine. You all are doing well. So today the personality we have is Amtul, and she is an actress, comedian. She's a traveler, and she is an entrepreneur. And I hope that you are aware that she's running this production house, which is called Patangir. And if you're not aware of that, you should go and watch the page that she's running, because I've been following that, and I thoroughly enjoy whatever she's doing on the page and with her husband Fahad. So thank you so much, Amtul. It's a
Thank
it's a
you.
it's a great honor to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. And I'll just try my best to impart as much wisdom and knowledge that I can to the students
Right.
of Indus University and everybody else who's watching.
Sure. Amdul, tell us something about you and Fahad, that how it all started out, how you got so much inclined towards traveling, and with this idea you came up with that let's share my experiences with the people around and tell them how beautiful is Pakistan and how beautiful the other parts of the country and the whole world, because you've been moving
Hmm.
around here and there. So this whole idea obviously motivated a lot of people. They really got attracted towards it, attracted towards your work, and the way you
Hmm.
show, the way you tell stories of different things. I mean, I'm the kind of a person. It is so magnetic on your page that most of the time I'm thinking, okay, why am I sitting into the chair? I should also go. I should also go and enjoy and see something. So how did
बिल्कुल.
this all start?
So it was actually a pretty long journey.
Yeah.
जैसे अभी तो ये है कि content creator and travel blogger काफी mainstream professions बनते जा रहे हैं, So now you can actually wake up one day and decide, okay, I want to do this, and you start working towards that. For us, it was very, I think, slow and gradual. Like we didn't even know, okay, one day we will be becoming content creators and making vlogs. So I think it started. I think let's take it to 2016. I think to me personally, I always loved traveling. Like I think I
All
get
right.
it from my dad. He was a big traveler and he always pushed me to travel. तो मैंने
Mm-hmm.
अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ बहुत सारे tours किए. I used to travel for rowing competitions, for
Mm-hmm.
drama festivals and theater. तो माशाल्लाह से like my parents always encouraged me to travel on my own. तो उससे ना मुझे travel bug. I got the travel bug and I would just travel on my own. And then उसके बाद I started like just documenting my journey. ऐसे तब तो I didn't even have a blog or anything. It was Instagram पे or Facebook पे. I just started
Say.
putting pictures and with long captions and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, Fahad was actually in America and he was doing the same thing. He actually had a sales job. And for that, he had to travel a lot because, salesperson ka to kaam hi hota hai, state to state, city to city.
Agreed.
So he actually bought a GoPro in America and started documenting his travels as he just for fun. He would be on the road, he'd put the GoPro अपनी वो गाड़ी पे लगा दिया करते थे and he would just, document the travels and stuff. So I was documenting my own travels and he was doing his own traveling. And then it was 2017 when we
Mm-hmm.
first decided to take our trip. So Fahad America से वापस आ रहे थे for good
Acha.
because he spent around 5 years over there working and studying. So he was
Mm-hmm.
coming back to Pakistan and he said कि, like I had a dream कि मैं जब अमेरिका छोड़ूंगा ना, I want to do a 1 month cross country road trip. गाड़ी में we drive everywhere, we camp along the way, and let's do it together. So I was like, yeah, sure, always ready. मतलब travel or adventure, so I'm always ready.
Yeah.
So, I packed my bags, I went to America, and then we did almost, I think, 25 days. We
Mm-hmm.
drove across America. We
Mm-hmm.
camped everywhere. We went to all the national parks. और उसको पे हमने अपना पहला ब्लॉग बनाया.
Sahi.
तब भी पतंगीर नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, ऐसी just for our personal use.
Mm-hmm.
हमने बनाया, हमने फेसबुक पे लगाया अपने पर्सनल पेजेस पे, and it did really well. मतलब बहुत
People
ज्यादा
liked it.
तो तब
Yeah.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि I think 2017 में भी 3 साल पहले भी there wasn't any couple who was traveling like this.
Yeah.
इतना ज्यादा travel content नहीं बन रहा था. So it became like pretty viral. Like a lot of these publishing houses, like Mango Bars and Parlo, they did like features on us and articles on us. Ke, oh, this young couple from Pakistan is doing a road trip, and they made this amazing video. तो
Mm-hmm.
उससे फिर हमें काफी इंस्पिरेशन मिली और पुश मिला कि ओके, लाइक दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी कैन एक्चुअली डू इन द
Mm-hmm.
लॉन्ग रन, कि
Yeah.
लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया है और इसका हमें कमी भी महसूस हुई. लाइक वी फेल्ट व्हेन वी डिड अ रिसर्च, वी फेल्ट कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कपल्स traveling together and showcasing it. There are a
Yeah.
lot of people who are doing travel content. तो बस तब से हमें आइडिया बनना शुरू हुआ कि अच्छा हमें ये करना है. then बस हमने सोचा कि क्या नाम रखें, and started thinking about the name, and then eventually हमने आके 2018 में इसको properly launch किया, and तब से we're just traveling and creating content.
Right. So why did you have this name, Patangir? What is the secret behind that name? Yeah.
Yeah, तो इसकी भी बड़ी लंबी कहानी है. तो जब हम अपना नाम सोच रहे थे, तो शुरू से ही we had a vision के we knew कि हम लोग एक travel page से शुरू जरूर करेंगे, but we
सही
knew
है.
कि eventually we want to become a production house in the future. We knew कि इंशाल्लाह हमें documentaries बनानी है, short films बनानी है, ads बनाने हैं, advertising में जाना है. Like we always had a bigger vision in mind. So we always knew कि it has to be something which is bigger than Amtul and Fahad. We didn't want our platform's name to be Amtul and Fahad or a young couple, Pakistani couple, Desi couple. No, because we were like, it's bigger than a couple. It's about Pakistan. क्योंकि हमारा विजन ये था कि हमने ऐसा कंटेंट बनाना है कि इंटरनेशनली लोग देखें और बोलें
बिल्कुल
कि
सही.
पाकिस्तान से ये कंटेंट निकल रहा है जो इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स का है, you know, like that was our aim. तो हमने कहा कि okay, let's keep a name which has desi Pakistani roots, cultural roots, and हमारा ये बहुत कोशिश थी कि कुछ हम उर्दू के वर्ड को ना कुछ हम ट्वीक करके उसको बनाएं. Like we had a vision कि we want the root word to be in Urdu. फिर हमने सोचना शुरू किया कि क्योंकि we want to stay close to our roots, you know. फिर हमने सोचा कि क्या क्या कल्चरल चीजें हैं जो उर्दू में होती है. हमने बड़े सोचे पराठा, paranda, jhumka, chudiyan, khusse, like, you know, we just kept on naming all the desi cultural Pakistani things. And then ekdam se we were like, okay, patang, you know, it was a big part of our culture, like, you know, basant manai jati thi, and hamari jo kites hai wo bhi ek specific shape ki hain, you know, like they're not the rhombus, they're the wo goal wali.
Very true. Yeah.
Excuse me. Alhamdulillah. So we said okay, patang, and then we like patang को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, can't just be patang. तो फिर हमने पतंग के ना आगे हमने syllables ऐड करने शुरू किया, पतंगी, पतंगबाज, पतंगीरी, इस तरह करके हमने में, and then patangir just hit us, and then we gave it a meaning. So a lot of people think it's a real word, but patangir is not a real word, it's a made up word. अब फिर हमने उसको अपनी meaning दी, and then we gave the meaning the wandering kites. And then, you know, anyone can relate to it. It's not about Amtul, it's not about Fahad, it's not about a couple, it's about everyone who can relate to it. You know, it signifies freedom, you know, colorful, being in the air, liberated, but it also has a string that keeps you grounded and attached to your roots. So, and we're like, whoever follows us, sees our content, relates to us, you all are Patangiris, we all are Patangiris. So that was the vision behind it.
Very true, very true, very nice. Achha, Amtul, you talked about this culture and you're totally inclined towards culture and showing what is the true asset of Pakistan, true, you know, essence of Pakistan. So, you know, when it comes to Pakistani culture, it is so diversified. You get to see a lot of things. You know, you have occasions, you have weddings, you have, you know, like you have, if you're talking about music, you have different kind of music. You have jazz music, you have classical music. If you're talking about some acting and stuff, you know, there is a lot of talent which is there found in Pakistan.
Definitely.
Besides that, if I'm talking about even, you know, a calligraphy or, you know, craftsmanship, then you see those trucks or buses, you know, that kind of work is so much famous across the world. So having said that, I would say that it is very, very important for us to be connected with our culture. I always emphasize on the fact that as youth, we need to create such kind of, you know, interest among the people that they are coming back to our culture. We don't have to go away because we have so beautiful culture found, we have so beautiful
I
heritage,
totally agree.
and you're working on it. So Amtul, I would like you to put light on the fact how important it is to be connected, and what has your experience been when you have moved to different parts of Pakistan or around the world, how you found culture, और वो कैसा है, कैसा आप समझती हैं कि आपको कितना अच्छा लगा उसके अंदर रहना?
बिल्कुल, आई थिंक इट्स सच अ वैलिड पॉइंट. और सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि लाइक नॉर्थ जैसे हमारे नदर्न एरियाज हैं, वो तो दे आर फेमस फॉर ब्यूटी एंड नेचर, यू नो, बट that's a given, that's the gem of Pakistan, but a lot of times we tend to ignore and forget the rest of Pakistan. लोग बस नॉर्थ को ही सोचते रहते हैं. हमारे पास साउथ में इतना कल्चर है, आई कैन नॉट एम्फसाइज, आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स इतना है. लाइक अभी लास्ट ईयर आई वर्कड ऑन अ प्रोजेक्ट विद USAID and I was doing a tour around Sindh. So Sindh mein I went to around more than 12 locations. I went to Bitsha, I went to Sevan Sharif, I went
Bitsha video I
to
saw. It was amazing. Yeah.
it's amazing, and I went to
Yeah.
Kot DG, Dawar Fort, and Dawar Fort to Punjab mein, Kot DG, Rani Kot,
Uh-huh.
Sakhar, Khairpur, like Merano, वहाँ पे water, I mean, animal reserve है उनका, like there
Mm-hmm.
is so much, and I was shocked, and I was like, why is this area like neglected? You know, लोग
Yeah.
बात ही नहीं करते, लोग बस not okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that's beautiful,
Untouched.
but आप
Yeah.
और भी तो जगह देखो, like
Hmm.
वहाँ पे हमने block printing देखी जो अजरक बनती है. We even participated in a workshop. We saw
Hmm.
wood carving. We saw
Yeah.
so many. We saw like pots being made and painted, and then the Sufi culture that
Yeah.
is
Sufi
prevalent
culture.
in Sindh. That's insane. Like बिरसा,
Yeah.
हम लोग जब गए थे वहाँ पे शाहबुल लतीफ बिठाई का मज़ार है, वहाँ पे हर रात को वो लोग कलाम वहाँ पे आई थिंक
Who-
हाँ वहाँ पे कलाम पढ़े जाते हैं एवरी नाइट. एंड देन दे सेवन शरीफ वहाँ पे हर थर्सडे को धमाल होता है. इट वाज इनसेन, लाइक musically, spiritually, Sufism was so prevalent. So like we have a lot of culture, but the problem is like a lot of people, I think, I don't know, उनको ये बात अकल ही नहीं होती कि we should explore our own culture.
Yeah.
Just say when I travel to other countries abroad, they keep their culture close to them. Like they
Very
are
true.
so
This is what I mean.
proud
You
of
know.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
इतने proud होते हैं जैसे कि I tell you, I went to Indonesia. Now you see they like their culture is embedded in everything, in the tourism, travel, in the temples, in the shopping, हर चीज में they promote their culture like anything. But यहाँ पे आप देखिए तो इतना ज्यादा हम ज्यादा वेस्ट की तरफ जाना चाहते हैं, कि
Yeah.
modern हो, western हो, which is also fine, but it's important because that's what sets us apart from
Yeah.
other countries. That's our identity, that's our
Yeah.
uniqueness. और
Yeah.
उसके अलावा it gives a reason for our local craftsmen to also get empowered. They can get financially stable. We can create more jobs over here अगर हम local अपने artists को support करें, craftsmen को, तो उनकी भी we can help improve and increase
Very
their
true.
livelihood.
Very true.
तो like I feel like अगर किसी के पास चांस हो तो सिंध जाके सबसे पहले एक्सप्लोर करें. वहाँ पे हिस्ट्री है, मोहनजोदारो, आर्कियोलॉजी, we have culture, arts, Sufism, music, everything, and
And
you'll be
this is what is
mind blown.
something until it should be running into our blood. This is what is something we belong to. Achha, one thing I want
बिल्कुल.
to ask here, that it's a very important question, and I'm asking you, and I'm sure you would answer it in a very good way because you have gone through those things. Huh? So my question towards you is that how, when we talk about traveling, so traveling is all about, traveling says कि it changes you physically and psychologically. It really gives you that kind
बिल्कुल.
of impact. So if I ask you this question, Amtul, that if you compare yourself with the previous time, that kind of Amtul who didn't travel, so after traveling to a lot of countries or to a lot of places, what one change or some changes you have noted so far? This is what I have got in myself. This is the creativity. This is the positivity I have got by traveling in different parts of the world. What is that change that you've noted?
A lot of things. I think सबसे पहले तो open-mindedness, which I think everybody needs and everybody should try to develop in them. Because when you travel
Yeah.
to different countries, you see different cultures, you meet people जो अलग तरह से रह रहे हैं, उनकी अपनी values हैं, अपने traditions हैं, अपने customs हैं, and sometimes you don't even agree to those things, which is
Yeah.
fine. आपको कभी-कभी weird लगता है, awkward लगता है, you're like, oh, ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ये क्या हो रहा है? But it makes you an open-minded person. It teaches you tolerance, and I think that is the way that we can lead a more peaceful society. We can have a
Yeah.
more peaceful world, and that's why travel is important. Like,
Yeah.
okay, like a lot of people like to travel, कि अच्छा vacation हो गई, relax
Yeah.
कर लिया, holiday हो गई. लेकिन I feel like travel is a bigger purpose than that. It's not just a
Yeah.
holiday or a vacation. It's a learning experience. जब भी
Right.
आप कहीं पर travel करने जाएं, आप उसके culture के बारे में learn करें. वहाँ पे लोग वहाँ की history को learn करें, because उससे आप दूसरों को और appreciate करते हैं. Like,
Yeah.
for example, when you go to Germany and you look at the Berlin Wall and you look at all the history and you look at the concentration camps and all of that, and then you realize कि यार these people have come a long way. आपकी respect बढ़ती है दूसरे लोग के लिए, आपको inspiration भी मिलती है जब आप जाके देखते हैं कि यार जैसे आप वियतनाम को देखें. Vietnam has gone through such intense war, and now you look at them and you look at the tourism. It's amazing. They have restored everything. Their travel is at peak. It's amazing. एंड आप जाके इंस्पायर होते हैं, हम लर्न भी करते हैं. देन आई वेंट टू नेपाल. वहां पे मैंने देखा कि नेपाल, देखिए हमारी बिल्कुल सेम टोपोग्राफी, सेम लैंडस्केप, ऑलमोस्ट सेम काइंड ऑफ पीपल, सेम आपकी इकोनॉमी भी बहुत सिमिलर है.
जी.
But now you look at their tourism. Mashallah से they've done an amazing job. They have a backpacking culture. उनके पास भी माउंटेन है, जैसे हमारे नॉर्थ में माउंटेन है. They have amazing mountain ranges. They have amazing hostel life, hostel culture. You know, so when you go, you get inspired, and then you're like, okay, I can do something similar in my country. You know, I can learn from here, and I can take it back, and I can make my country better, my society better. तो जब मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ, सो आई थिंक मेरा ये 2-3 मेरे मेन मोटिव्स होते हैं. उनके बारे में ज्यादा लर्न करूँ, उनकी हिस्ट्री, उनकी कल्चर. यू नो, it increases my empathy towards them, increases my respect towards them. मैं उनको appreciate करती हूँ, उनको understand करती हूँ, मेरा दिमाग खुलता है.
You also get to know about languages, what kind of languages are being spoken. You know, you get to know that. And one of the Indian actors, I heard one of the actors said, I think Amir Khan said, I want to travel through train. So that way I go to the different kind of villages and see what is going on over there. What are the rituals being adopted or, being followed over there. Very true of you. Achha, tell us something about food stuff. Are you a kind of a foodie person? Have you been moving around? So have you loved it? So which was the best food you had last time, or where it was, what would you like to say about that?
Very tough. Very tough. Okay, Nepal had really good food, surprisingly. Like, it was like they had a lot of I think it was a mix of South Indian food. हमें तो पता है ना कि हमें spicy food बड़ा पसंद है, तो उसमें बड़े मिर्च मसाले और जायका बहुत था. So we really enjoyed Nepali food. It was like मजे मजे. अच्छा, इसमें ना Tibetan food का भी mixture था, South Asian food का भी mixture था, and there was something called like Himalayan food, तो उसका भी mixture था. So it was really like, I think, interesting and fun. उसके अलावा Seychelles had really good food because वहाँ पे was all seafood, and I really enjoy seafood. तो वहाँ पे rice और a lot of fish curries and prawns and eel and octopus and everything. So that was interesting. Like in the beginning you feel like, oh, but आप try करो, then आपको पता चलता है कि यार और भी अच्छी चीजें खाने के लिए. So I think these two were my recent travels which were really like. And Russia. Yes, Russia was really interesting. So basically, since Russia is a very cold country, so they mostly depend on carbs. So उनके खाने में ना like cheese बहुत ज़्यादा है, bread बहुत ज़्यादा है, potatoes बहुत ज़्यादा है. And who doesn't like potatoes, cheese or bread? So तीन हमारी favorite चीजें. So that was their food, and it was really a बहुत different तरह का. उनकी ना dumplings होती थी बड़ी-बड़ी, उसमें they have like sauces or meat or cheese ki filling, and they had these really interesting cottage cheese pancakes or beetroot ka soup and broth, and it was very interesting. I think Russia का बहुत ही सबसे different मुझे food लगा था.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी आपने मुझे भूख लगा दी है.
है ना, मुझे भी लग गई है.
अच्छा, हम तो टेल मी वन थिंग. जहाँ अच्छे एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, जहाँ आपके अच्छे एक्सपीरियंसेस या आपको अच्छे कुछ देखने को मिलता है, करने को मिलता है, वहाँ जरूरी नहीं है कि यही होता रहे. Sometimes you also have some bad experiences. So you are a traveler. You've gone to a lot of places. So what do you say? Has it been something like very frightening, very kind of a scary thing कि you just thought, Amtul thought कि भाई कहाँ आ गई मैं, या हम यहाँ फंस गए फहाद और मैं, what we are supposed to do? So has it been like that, या अभी तक things are going in the right direction?
नहीं, ट्रैवल तो ऑलवेज मीन्स के कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगी.
एडवेंचरस होगा.
लाइक एडवेंचर इतने मैं आई कैन इवन काउंट कि कितने हुए हैं कि बस. लेकिन आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स ट्रैवल फन एंड मेमोरेबल, कि आप उस सिचुएशन से कैसे निकलें और फिर बाद में आप सालों बाद उसको सुन के आप हंसते हैं और फिर यू हैव फन. तो इससे एक दफा ये हुआ था, हम लोग अमेरिका में थे, तो हमने एक बेसिकली एक नेटिव अमेरिकन विलेज है ग्रैंड कैनियन के नीचे, तो उसमें ना कुछ 8 से 10 घंटे की हाइक होती है. आप वो करके आते हैं, वहाँ पे खूबसूरत वाटरफॉल्स हैं, और वो बेसिकली एक नेटिव अमेरिकन विलेज है, तो वो बहुत प्रोटेक्टेड है. तो वहाँ पे ना आपको एक पास लेके जाना होता है.
सही है.
और लाइक यू हैव परमिशन, एंड वी डिडंट नो दैट. हमें तो ऑनलाइन देखा, हमने कहा बड़ी चीज है, लेट्स गो. अब हम वहाँ चले गए और वहाँ जाके है पता चला कि वी कांट गो. इतनी मिन्नतें करने के बाद उन्होंने कहा ठीक है आप चले जाए. चले तो हम गए, और फिर बीच में हाइक में मेरे जूते टूट गए. आप सोचे 10 घंटे की हाइक, हम बिल्कुल कैनियन के नीचे अंदर, एंड माय शूज टोटली ब्रोक. उसकी सोल जो है ना बिल्कुल अलग हो गई, और दोनों की, ये भी नहीं कि एक जूता. एंड आप सोचे जूते नहीं हमारे पास, मैंने फहद के जूते पहने, फहद ने मौजों में ट्रैक किया, फिर
Yeah.
कभी मैं उसके जूते फिर मैं कभी मौजों में चलूं. It was so tough, but we
No, I
laugh
can
about
imagine.
it.
Yeah, it must be difficult.
एक
Yeah.
दफा माउंटेन्स में हमारी गाड़ी it broke down. तो
Mhm.
गाड़ी सोचे माउंटेन्स के बीच में, कोई आसपास कोई गैस स्टेशन नहीं, कोई मैकेनिक शॉप नहीं, ये भी अमेरिका में हुआ
And
था.
you're stuck up. Yeah.
एंड हेल स्टॉर्म आ गया, इतने बड़े बड़े ओले गिरे और हमारी गाड़ी बंद. हमने एक रात गाड़ी के अंदर सो के गुजारा एक पेट्रोल स्टेशन पे, तो ये होता रहता है. फिर एक दफा
But now
नेपाल
when you
में
think
जाए.
of that, it must be like among the list of good experiences that.
Yeah,
So
and now we look back and we laugh and we were like, हम कितने like, it was insane. We were so adventurous. मतलब
yeah.
कहने को तो कुछ भी हो सकता था, गाड़ी में सो रहे थे, कोई आ जाता, कुछ भी हो जाता, लेकिन उस वक्त मजे में हमने कर लिया. बट दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स इट एडवेंचरस. एंड देन
Right.
नेपाल में तो सबसे बुरा हुआ था कि हम लोग वी वर ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू दुबई, और दुबई का हमारे पास वीजा नहीं था, तो दे डिडंट
Alright.
लेट अस बोर्ड. तो हमारे पूरे टिकट सोचे जाया, मतलब दे वर लाइक यू कांट बोर्ड. हमारी फ्लाइट मिस हो गई एंड वी विल रिफंड द मनी. तो ये
अच्छा.
पैसों का नुकसान हुआ, यहाँ पे एक दिन भी जाया हुआ, ही couldn't board the flight, पैसे जाया, दिन जाया.
हाँ, understood.
तो
Yeah.
ये ट्रैवल में तो बहुत हुई है ये चीजें.
Right. अच्छा अब्दुल ये बताएं, अब तो quarantine is there, तो how does it feel to be at home? Obviously you must be at home, you must be not moving around. तो अब कैसे time गुजर रहा है? How you are passing your time and how you are managing it?
Yeah, so so in the beginning हमने यही सोचा कि यार let's keep ourselves busy, let's keep, because we love to create content,
Yeah.
हमें मजा आता है कि हम वीडियोस बनाएं, content बनाएं. And of course when we couldn't travel, we said कि अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम travel नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम content कैसे बनाएंगे. So then we came up with different ideas. तो हमने सबसे पहले तो ये idea किया कि हमने like we moved into our office. So where I'm sitting right now, this is my office, and हमने कहा हम यहाँ पे आके रहते हैं and we will vlog about this, कि how
Right.
are we living in the office. तो हमने literally
Okay.
for 2 months we lived in the office. हमने अपना पूरा backpack सब कुछ suitcase pack किया, हम घर से यहाँ office आके move हो गए, and we started vlogging about how a couple is living in their office in lockdown situation.
Yeah.
तो उसकी हमने एक proper YouTube series बनाई and it did
अच्छा.
really really well. तो उसके बाद then we decided कि अच्छा अब ये है कि of course we have to make the best of the situation. अब ये तो नहीं है कि हम कुछ content नहीं create कर सकते. So then we started moving our content from travel to more towards lifestyle, because
Lifestyle,
of
right.
course audience understands situation ऐसी है, हमें पता है हमें भी काम करना है, तो हमने फिर lifestyle थोड़ा सा ना अपना content किया. तो
ठीक है.
we started cooking a lot. अगर आपने देखा, हमने काफी cooking videos बनाई, fun cooking, different style of cooking. हमने kung fu cooking की, with fighting and everything, वो videos बनाई. हमने कॉमेडी वीडियोस बनानी शुरू की, बिकॉज फहद एंड आई वी जस्ट हैविंग फन, और लोग हमें कहते थे कि आप बड़े फनी हैं, आप फनी वीडियोस क्यों नहीं बनाते, एंड आई एम अ कॉमेडियन आल्सो. सो वी थॉट कि ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट ब्रिंग इन आवर ह्यूमरस एलिमेंट इसमें लेके आए. तो हमने फनी वीडियोस बनानी शुरू की एंड रिलेटेबल कंटेंट, व्हाट अ कपल गोस थ्रू. तो इस तरह करके बेसिकली in lockdown we actually shifted our direction from travel to more lifestyle.
Great,
and
great.
It worked out for us.
Great. Acha, Amtul, I have seen you in definitely many videos. Like one of the video that I watched was Mansal's. Usme you were with Salman or Natalia was also there. They have been on the show too. I had a great time. I had a great conversation with them. So this humorous side that you have, you have that humor too. So how is that experience? Do you enjoy that too? Being a
Yeah, I
comedian
love
and
it. I love it. So basically, I started off as an actor. मैंने सबसे पहले acting और theater से शुरू किया था.
सही है.
And then to be honest, I never thought I was a funny person. In all honesty, जब मैंने शुरू में improv और comedy शुरू की थी, it was back in 2010, 10 साल पहले university में. And then I literally I sucked. I was so bad. मुझसे comedy होती ही नहीं थी. Because I think one reason was this कि I was in a group of all boys, सारे लड़के थे और मैं एक लड़की थी, तो उनके jokes मुझे समझ में नहीं आते थे. I couldn't relate to them, and literally I thought I was not funny. But I think one lesson मेरे लिए था कि मैंने फिर भी try करती रही मैं. I kept on trying, kept on pushing myself. Then I joined another group. तब भी I remember मेरे दोस्तों ने कहा था कि हम तो कॉमेडी छोड़ दो, ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है, तुम सिर्फ एक्टिंग करो, एक्टिंग में you're amazing, but comedy is not your cup of tea.
Right.
But you know what? Even then मैंने कहा नहीं. Like this is a challenge. I took it as a challenge and I kept challenging myself. I kept joining different groups, and then eventually, like, because in real life I was funny. Like my friends always said कि I'm funny, but real life में funny होना और stage पे funny होना बहुत बड़ा difference है, बहुत बड़ा. Because when people expect you to be funny, when you have to write content, when you have to write jokes, तब कुछ नहीं आता दिमाग में, यू नो, एक डिलीवरी होती है, कॉमिक टाइमिंग होती है, बहुत चीजें होती हैं, यू नो, वीडियो में फनी होना, स्टेज पे फनी होना, इम्प्रोव करना, स्टैंड
it's
अप
very
करना,
difficult.
ऑल वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स. तो आई
So,
थिंक वो
Amtul,
सीखने
Amtul, I'm gonna give you a very I'm gonna ask you a very difficult question. It's a very challenging question though, and it is going
ओके.
to create, I'm sure, that kind of a dichotomy in your mind. You're going to go into a dilemma. Okay, what I need to select. If I ask you this question, if I keep two things in front of you, one is traveling. You either select traveling, or
I
you
knew
select
it.
being a
Comedy.
comedian. So what are
I
you
knew
going to
it.
do there?
I
Yeah.
knew it. मैं जो
Okay.
ना मैं ट्रैवल कंटेंट बनाऊंगी, लेकिन उसमें मैं अपनी कॉमेडी भी डाल दूंगी.
So that would be the part of it.
So I would travel, but
That
my
would be a
travel
smart move by
content के
you. Yeah.
बीच में ना मेरी कॉमेडी भी हो रही होगी, बेसिकली ये होगा फिर, क्योंकि I tell you something, like because comedy is something which just comes naturally to me, you know.
Yeah.
तो अगर मैं एक दिन बोलूं कि मैं कॉमेडी नहीं कर रही, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, because I by now I know if I pick up a camera, मेरे मुंह से कुछ funny बात या कुछ, because it's just me, you know. I feel like now it's
Yeah.
become a part of who I am, my personality. तो अब बड़ा मुश्किल होगा कि मैं एक दिन बोलूं अच्छा मैंने कॉमेडी छोड़ दी, you know. Like maybe like I'd be like okay कॉमेडी वीडियोस नहीं बना रही मैं, लेकिन अगर मैं अपना ट्रैवल कंटेंट भी बनाऊंगी और ट्रैवल ब्लॉग्स भी बना रही हूँ, उसमें भी बीच में मेरी कॉमेडी वॉमेडी साइड वाइड पे बीच में चल ही रही होगी.
Right.
So I
Right.
feel like yeah, that's something that has become a part of me, because comedy is something that teaches you to be yourself, you know,
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
be genuine, to be authentic. सबका अपना अपना स्टाइल होता है कॉमेडी का. So it's taught me to be who I am in front of the camera, and I love it
Right.
and I enjoy it.
Acha, Amtul, you are an entrepreneur, you are a traveler, you're a comedian, you're an actor, you're doing lots of things. You are a great amalgamation of different things. Okay. So what message would you like to give to students out there or the people who are listening to you, कि how important it is to to follow your passion and do
Yes.
what makes you happier, and at the same time it is not important कि अगर आप एक entrepreneur हैं तो आप कुछ और नहीं कर सकते हैं. You can do that. You are running a business too,
बिल्कुल
you're doing other things too. क्या मैसेज देंगे
बिल्कुल
आखिर में स्टूडेंट्स को,
बिल्कुल
लोगों को?
ग्रेट क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज लिटरली दिस इज व्हाट आई स्टैंड फॉर.
Yeah.
मतलब शुरू में ना मुझे कभी कभी वियर्ड लगता था इन द बिगिनिंग, लाइक 2-3 इयर्स बैक, कि मैं यार इतनी सारी चीजें कर रही हूँ एंड लोग सोचेंगे कि फोकस ही नहीं है, यू नो, लाइक कभी कुछ
Yeah.
कर रही है कभी कुछ कर रही है, या फोकस नहीं है या कंफ्यूज है या हर चीज करना चाह रही है. बट
Uh-huh.
नॉट एनी मोर नाउ. आई डोंट थिंक दैट, बिकॉज everything that I do, it's taught me a different skill. It's made me a better person. जो जो मैंने चीजें ट्राई की, मेरे पैशन भी फुलफिल हुए, मुझे चैलेंजेस भी मिले, चैलेंजेस की वजह से मैंने ग्रो किया एज अ पर्सन, मेरी स्किल सेट बढ़ी, मेरी क्वालिटीज बढ़ी और सीखा मैंने. तो एंड लिटरली टुडे आई स्टैंड फॉर दिस कि you don't have to be a single dimensional person, you can be a multi-dimensional person, you know.
Yeah.
You don't have to do one thing, you can do 2, 3, 4, जितनी भी आपको मजा आता है, जितना भी आपको दिल चाहता है, because this is a different world we're living in, you know. आज
Yeah.
एक डॉक्टर ब्लॉगर भी है, लॉयर कमेडियन भी है, एंटरप्रेन्योर कुक भी है, you know.
True.
It doesn't matter, do what makes you happy. And पहले लोग डरते थे कि पैसे कैसे कमाएंगे, you know, how can I become a chef, how can I
Yeah.
become a blogger, how can I become a comedian.
Mm.
Not anymore, you know. आप अपना passion follow करना शुरू करें, you will make ways to make money from that, to earn
Take
from
it.
that. There
Right.
will come ways, and literally that's what happened with me. शुरू में नहीं बने थे, शुरू में कॉमेडी से पैसे नहीं बने थे मेरे, शुरू में ट्रैवलिंग से नहीं बने थे, you know, content creation से नहीं बने थे. You have to start, and then trust
Yeah.
me, once you start, money will always follow. You will find ways to monetize it, you know.
Right. Right.
But the key thing is that you need to be happy, you need to enjoy what you're doing, because once you enjoy what you're doing, आप उससे ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हैं, you know. And I feel like once you work harder, you enjoy more, people enjoy more. When people see your content, your work, they enjoy it, appreciate it more, and then, you know, eventually you also succeed in it. So I
Right.
truly honestly believe that.
Right. Right. Amtul, I think it was a great talk. It was a great conversation,
Thank
and
you.
I'm 100% sure about it that if we continue any further, it would take 1 hour more, because the way you are
I know.
telling things, you're telling, and I'm also taking my interest because I also love art. I'm pretty much inclined towards art too. So the person who is artistic, na, they love these kind of things, and art is something that always attracts the other person.
बिल्कुल
अगर आप में वो चीज है मुझ में, तो that would definitely attract, and I'm sure कि people must be understanding, and we always try to show to people कि आप different लोगों से मिलें और देखें कि how they are exploring their lives. So this is what is very important. Abdul, thank you so much on behalf of Indus University. My
Thank
extreme,
you.
like a big respect goes to you, and best wishes for you. खुदा आपको ऐसे ही कामयाब रखे, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
आपने वक्त निकाला. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Take
Allah
care.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.